So one thing that really stood out to me actually in your presentation was something
Yeah.
that I had never heard before. And as a trans person, it felt so affirming. And you had said something to the effect of at conception, we're all females. And then, 6 to 7 weeks later, our brain starts to develop and our body changes. Can you explain a little bit to our viewers kind of what that process is, the biological process of that, and like
Yeah.
how that really is true and scientific?
Yeah. Yeah, it was something that I became really interested in because of actually the a lot of it was the first Trump presidency because he put out this proclamation. It was weaker than the second proclamation of that it's that biological sex or gender is immutable. It's fixed at birth. It's just a whole lot of really uneducated bullshit. I was just, it was like such uh, an infuriating amount of bullshit, right? That I thought, oh my God, if the president of the United States thinks this, like I really have to double down my efforts to educate because a lot of people believe that, and it's so very wrong, and any biologist knows that it's wrong. There's no biologist, they never had somebody come in who's a biologist who says yes, this is exactly what's happening, right? Nobody. There was no congress where they were interviewing biologists and any biologist agreed with them on this, but they treat it as if it is biological fact, and it drives me nuts. So I really wanted to create a way of describing all the things that actually go into the formulation of sex and gender from a biological point of view that everybody could understand, right? So I taught psychology for 20 years, and so it was a lot of trying to take these complicated concepts and put them in a fun and easily understandable way so that people could really take them in, because if you're not enjoying yourself when you're learning, you're not remembering.